Hello, I'm Marisol Miranda from Easy Equal Access to Software and Information, and I'm going to show you in this video how to caption a video using Camtasia Studio. After opening Camtasia Studio, we're going to get here. I'm going to call this place Camtasia's Workspace. As you can see, it has in the top 3 panels, and they are from left to right: task list, where you have to go to add or record all the multimedia files for your project. In the center, we have the clip bin, where all the thumbnails of the files that you imported or created will appear, and the player, where you can look at your video and all the additions or additions you are making to it before producing it, is on the right hand side of the screen. And below and all across the screen, it's the timeline, where you have to drag and drop the video that you're going to be working on. All the additions like captions, callouts, etc. that you add to your video will be represented here with different things. Captions are represented with a blue dot that will appear next to each caption text. This is useful to easily locate them in case you need to edit them. Now we're going to start with the demonstration by importing the video. So I'm going to the link where it says Import Media under the task list. As in any other program, you have to select the folder where you have your video saved. Select it and click on it to take it to the clip bin. Now we have the thumbnail here. You have to drag it and drop it into the timeline. Doing this will make that a new window appear, asking us about where we plan to use the video for. But because we can also select this after finishing the captioning process, I'm going to close it for now. As you can see now, we have it in there too, and the thumbnail is extended all along the length of the time it lasts. The next step is to go and click in the caption link that is under the task list under the Edit subtitle. I'm now in a new workspace. It is very similar to the other, but rather than having the task list and the clip bin panel, we have one named Open Captions that contains 6 buttons that are Paste, Start, Stop, Add, Overlay, and Display, and also a text box with the number 32 in it. That is the number of characters that for default the caption will have. The player and the timeline are still in the same place. What we have to do now is go and open the document where our transcription is written. Select all and come back to the captions window and click on the paste button. Now that we have the transcription here, we're going to synchronize the text with the video. As you can appreciate, the first 3 lines of the text are in black, and the rest of them are in red. This is because the text in black is the active caption point. You can see it displayed below the video in the player. We have 2 ways of doing the captioning. The first one is using the Start and Stop buttons of the Open Captions window. When you click on the Start button, the video starts playing. The only thing you have to do is listen to the audio and start reading the text in the Open Captions window. After that all the text that appears in black is said, give a left mouse click on the first gray word. Now we have the next 3 lines in black because it is now the active caption point. You can look at it in the player. You have to keep on listening, reading, and clicking all the way to the end of the video. If for any reason you have to stop the captioning process, you have to use the Stop button on the Open Captions window. The Stop button on the player won't work for you.